What's good, B? Does the safari guarantee I come back alive?
We guarantee nothing except the dinosaurs. This is Mr. Travis, your safari guide in the past. He'll tell you what and where to shoot. If he says no shooting, no shooting. If you disobey instructions, there's a stiff penalty of another $10,000 plus possible government action on your return.
Unbelievable. A real time machine makes you think if the election had gone badly yesterday, I might be here now running away from the results. Thank God Keith won. He'll make a fine president of the United States.
All you gotta worry about is
shooting my dinosaur.
A Tyrannosaurus Rex at that. The tyrant lizard, the most incredible monster in history. Sign this release. Anything that happens to you, we're not responsible. Those dinosaurs are hungry.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, we're done.
Good luck, Mr. Travis. He's all yours.
Oh,
And that is the jungle of 60,002,055 years ago. As you can see, way before President Keith. I messed that up. Stay on the path. Don't go off it. I repeat, don't go off it for any reason. If you go off the path, there's a penalty. And don't shoot any animal that we don't, okay?
why?
Say we accidentally kill one mouse here. One mouse. That means all the future families of this one particular mouse are destroyed, right?
Mm-hmm.
And all the families of the families of the families of that mouse, that one mouse. With a stamp of your foot, you annihilate first one, then a dozen, then 1,000, then 1,000,000, then 1,000,000,000 possible mice.
So, they're dead. So what?
Well, what about the foxes that'll need those mice to survive? For want of 10 mice, a fox dies. For want of 10 foxes, a lion starves. For want of a lion, all manner of insects, vultures, infinite billions of life forms are thrown into chaos and destruction. Eventually, it all boils down to this. 59 million years later, a caveman, one of a dozen in the entire world, goes hunting wild boar or saber-toothed tiger for food. But you, friend, have stepped on all the tigers in that region by stepping on one single mouse. So the caveman starves, and the caveman, please note, is not just any expendable man. No, he is an entire future nation. From his loins would have sprung 10 sons. From their loins, 100 sons, and thus onward to a civilian. Destroy this one man, and you destroy a race, a people, an entire history of life. It is comparable to slaying some of Adam's grandchildren. The stomp of your foot on one mouse could start an earthquake, the effects of which could shake our earth and destinies down through time to their very foundations. With the death of that one caveman, 1,000,000,000 others yet unborn are throttled in the womb. Perhaps Rome never rises in the 7 hills. Perhaps Europe is forever a dark forest, and only Asia waxes healthy and teeming. For step on a mouse in 120, 130, 140, 150, see you crush the pyramids. Step on a mouse and you leave your print like a Grand Canyon across eternity. Queen Elizabeth might never even be born. Washington might not even cross the Delaware. There might never even be a United States at all. So be careful. Stay on the path. Never step off.
Well, Mr. Travis, that was a very long speech, but I see that it wouldn't even pay for us to even touch a single blade of grass.
Well, of course, our theory could just be completely wrong. Who knows? We're just guessing, but until we know for certain, we're being careful.
So how do we know what dinosaur to kill?
Well, my assistant lesperance already came to this point in history and marked it with paint. The dinosaur we kill is already going to die by a tree falling on it. Like, as if we were talking.
There it is, there it is!
Oh, I can't do it! I can't do it! Ah! No!
Things down.
We got it, we got it, we got it. Whew. Nice work, brother. There it is. There's the tree, right on time. The tree that's supposed to kill that dinosaur 60 million years ago. There we go. All set. That was a close one.
Eccles, your shoes!
Oh, Sean!
Look at them!
Sean!
Take it easy. All we know is he kicked up some dirt.
Yeah, but we don't know anything yet. So let's just go home.
What can I say? I'm a savage. I'm sorry. Couldn't help it. No, it can't be. Not a little thing like that. I mean, I got something on my shoe here, but... So, who won the presidential election yesterday?
You joking? Deutscher. We got an Iron Man now. Someone with guts.
Oh, man. I'll do anything. I'll pay money. I'll pay $100,000. Anything, man. Oh, shit.